Welcome back. We want to be talking about a new thing. Now I want to talk about, in our previous talk about while loop. Now I want to talk about using multiple classes. Now, we always use comment using multiple classes. Multiple classes. Now, classes. Now, what do we mean by using multiple classes? That means we're going to be calling another extension when I mean Java class. Now we need to add another another component to this one we have been using. Now this is it here. As you can see the top, this was my first one, my apps.java. Now I want to add, if yours is like this, you expand by clicking what? The plus sign. Click the plus sign here, click the plus sign here. Now add, click on this, my apps, right click, go to new, and from new you add what? Java class. Now classes, you remember we want to talk about class. Now add class, new class, we're going to name it what? Try gift. Now try gift, try gift, try gift, like try giving. Now this is what we mean here, gift. Now we want to create what? Multiple word classes. Now let's create what? Let's create something. Let's create. Now remember, we want to create something inside what? Inside this public class try gift. Now let's declare public. We want to declare not private, so that to be a public void. Let's call it IP message. Now let's call it IP message. Now we want to write something out of IP message. We want to write out. Let's write out something. I just want to write out. Let's remember. Okay, now this is it here. We want to write out something here. Remember, any opening must have a close. This opening is this close. This opening is this close. This is what we input here. Remember, this is how it look like. By default, this is how it look like. Now we input this. This is what we type. Now we want to say, print this message out for me. Just print this message out for me. .out.print.ln. Now print this out for me. My IP address is. Now print this out for me. My IP address is 127.0.0.1. Just print it out for me. My IP address is this. Now it cannot run. Let's try. It cannot run by adding what class? No, it cannot run. You can see no result. Now let's come to the mail one, which has what? Public starting void mail. Now we want to work here. What do we need to do? We have to call up what? Our class in our main entry point. Now this is the main entry point. Let's start typing now. Now let's call it now. Let's declare it an object. Now try gift equals to try object. I like to use uppercase in here. Object. Now try object equals to what? New. Now bring out what? The try gift again. Try gift. Let's close. Now let's close the statement finally. Now let's move down. Now this is it here. We're gonna call this again, which is try object. Now dot. What is the name of that class? Let's remember, which is what? IP message. This is it here. Now you can see no error is found. See, we declare a name here, which is what? The name. This is the name here. Now this is the name here. Let's check if we change it, what will happen. Let's say case. Let's say case. Let's say case. Let's say case. It will not work. It will not work because this is the name here. This is the name of the what? The name of the class we added, gift.whatjar. Now it will not work. See what it's saying? Cannot found symbol, class, case, location, class, my apps. That means cannot find it. Now let's return it back. Now no error here. We use this. We use the class to make an object. Then we call up the object dot wherever is inside the what, the function, which is what this public class. This is it. This is like, it's just like when you are writing a Java, you declare what a function. You must use what, the function name. Then anytime you call up the function name, it's going to print out what is inside. So it is here. Anytime you call up what, the class name, is going to print out what is here. Now it's going to print it out. Now let's see in the main entry point. Now let's see what will happen. Let's run it. You can see, oh, my IP address is 127.0.0.1. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Now this is an external here, try gift. Now we call up try gift classes here. This is try gift class. Now see how we add the class. We right click on our my apps, then we go to new. It's just like we are adding new thing to it. It's just like when you want to hash folder, you see Java class. Now we rename our try gift, our class. We name it to try gift. That is what I'm just trying to pass. Now this is how it works, creating other class in a main entry point class. Now this is a main entry point program. This is what, creating extension. Just like a folder is subfolder. Yes, that is how it just look like. Now in the main folder, we call up what, subfolder. Now this is what is inside here. This is what is going to print out. Remember, is not inside our main entry point, which have what, public static void main entry point. No, we just declared what, the name here, make an object, then call the object dot what, the class name. Call what, the function. This is the function. I call this the function. This is the function. If we don't call this, it will not print out what is inside here. No, it will not. Now it will not. Now if I comment, it will not print out anything. Like, let me comment, let me run it. It will not print out anything. Now let me release the comment. It will print out. That is what I'm just. It call up the what, the function. Now you're going to print out something. This is it here. You call up what, the functions. This is the function word here. Now let's see what Java will call it. If you have any help, it doesn't. Now this is how you can run on what, using multiple word classes. Class 1, class 2. Class 1 can call up what, class 2 in the other section. With them, they have the main class entry point. You cannot what, call and back exit door a front exit door. No, we have front exit door, we have what, back exit door. Now we have the front and the back entrance in a home or in a house. Now that is what I'm trying to say here. The front we call up what, the back. Now thank you very much. See you in the next video.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.